In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make email templates with Gmail in just 5 minutes. This guide will walk you through everything you need to know so you can easily create and use email templates to streamline your emailing process. Let's dive right in and explore how you can save time by setting up email templates in Gmail. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to the Chrome Web Store. You can do this by typing chromewebstore.google.com into your browser's address bar, or simply search for Chrome Web Store using your favorite search engine. Once you're there, you'll need to locate the search bar, which is typically at the top left of the page. This is where you'll type in Gmail templates. After searching, you'll see a list of available extensions related to Gmail templates. Look for the one that suits your needs and click on it. You'll notice a blue button that says Add to Chrome. Click this button and a small window will pop up asking for confirmation. Click Add Extension to start the installation process. This step is crucial because it enables your browser to integrate these templates directly into your Gmail account. Once the extension has been successfully added to Chrome, open a new tab and sign into your Gmail account if you haven't already. With Gmail open, locate the Compose button on the left side of your screen and click it to start a new email. This is where you'll draft your initial email content, the content you want to save and reuse as a template later on. Take your time to craft this email, ensuring that it covers all the information you plan to include in future communications. Now, with your email written and ready, look for options located just beside the Send button. Click on Save Draft as Template. This simple action allows you to save your draft as a reusable template, making it easy to access the next time you need it. The benefits of doing this are evident as it will save you from composing the same email repeatedly. When you want to use a saved template later, return to the top right section of your Gmail window and click on Add HQ. From this menu, select Email Templates, then Browse Templates. This will bring up a list of all the templates you've saved. Click on My Templates to find and select your desired template. Just click on it to automatically insert it into your email draft. And there you have it. You've successfully created and saved an email template in Gmail, making your future email composition tasks quicker and more efficient. Enjoy the new ease and efficiency in your emailing process and make the most of your saved time.